Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove watermark from videos in 3 easy ways. To begin, click the link in the description box below to visit getvideoeditor.com. Hit the Try Free button and then Download for free to download the installer to your computer. Open the program file you've downloaded and follow the installation instructions. The software will be ready to use in just a few seconds. Alright, here is the software. Click Create a project in full feature mode. Import your video by clicking Add Media Files. Now select the video on the timeline and click the Crop button. On the preview window, there are points where you can scale up and down. Adjusting from the corners will let you resize while keep aspect ratios the same. Or you can also move it around like so. When done, click this Apply button. If you are satisfied with the final result, click the Export button located in the lower right corner, choose the destination folder in the Save to field, and select the video format from the tabs on the left of the Export window. Then click Start. There you go. If you don't want to lose any part of the video, a cool alternative way to the above-mentioned method is to get rid of it by replacing the original watermark with a new one, say your own logo. This is our most recommended way for this purpose because once a watermark is hard-coded into a video, there is no easy way to completely get rid of it other than replace it. Once you've placed your video on the timeline, import your logo image by clicking Add Media Files. Place the logo image above your video to create a new track like this. Double-click the logo image to edit it. Make sure that you've chosen the Picture-in-Picture option. You can easily change the position and size of your logo. When done, hit the Export button here to save your video. Another way to get rid of a watermark from your video is to blur it. To do so, click Add Media Files and choose the target video file. Now select a target video clip on the timeline, click the More tab here and choose Highlight and Conceal. Select Conceal in the drop-down list here. Based on your logo shape, choose either rectangular mask or elliptical mask. Then select Blur. Adjust the opacity level and feathering level according to your needs. You can further adjust and move the orange frame in the preview window so that it covers the logo you want to blur. If you want to blur out multiple areas, click Add Mask and repeat the procedure. When you're satisfied with the result, click Apply. There you have it. If you want to delete watermark from a video, try any one methods I introduced above. You can download the software by clicking the link in the description box below to visit getvideoeditor.com. If you don't understand any step, please feel free to comment below and I will help answer as soon as I can. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks.